Hello and welcome to my garage, my playhouse, my fun room. I have this grinder here I wanted to show you because I'm going to replace it. Look how weak it is. It's so weak. I thought it used to work. I used to grind car parts, different things, but I wanted to sharpen these tin snips. But look. Not in the right angle. Look how weak it is. look. And then I got this to buff. What we're buffing? Metal or something with that. Look at the thing. Don't buy that brand. Terratech. Never heard of such a thing. I don't know why I had it. Don't buy that. You know what you do with that? Get rid of it! Get rid of it! Oh. But today I went and I got a Ryobi 2.1 amp. That's 1.1 amp. How could 1 amp make a difference? We're gonna find out right here, right now, in this very garage. See my cool cars? Oh, so cool, so cool. Made them, remember? Oh, you love that. I should make a video just of that, right? Oh, you love that. Anyway, I have a whole bunch of them. The unboxing, Ryobi. You like Ryobi, don't you? Mm-hmm. Do you have a Ryobi lawnmower?
Yep. Whacker. Also.
I got a grinder. I'm gonna sharpen these tin snips. I used to work in siding. I was roofing and siding and painting and carpentry. I used to do that. That's how long ago. I'm sure they need to be sharpened. Because we have a project, we're gonna cut some chicken wire kind of stuff for the shed, for the bottom. Look. Instructions. I don't need no stinking instructions. Screws. I guess I could screw it down. I never screwed that one down. Ooh, batteries. What do I get batteries for? Maybe for the LED lights? Do you think that would work with the power, right? We're gonna find out. Maybe it's a remote. More stuff. Screws. A safety shield, so I look like a magnifier on a safety shield. Whoa! This one's warped. I'm taking it back. Fuck. Oh. See what I had on my list to do today? Neat. It's heavy. Feels heavier than the other one. Ah, nice spot. Is that a good spot? Whoa, look at it. Oh, I don't need no stinking instructions. Turn it on and you grind. I'll mount it down there to the bench. Look. Can't wait. Nice long cord, but I don't need it long, I don't think. Let's see, we'll tuck it away. Same old grind. Actually, it's not. Plug it in, plug it in. Where's my safety eyeballs? Not here. All right. I know I should put the shield on and all that, but let's see if it works first. If it don't work, I'm not putting it all together. Oh. Just a test. Hang on. Don't panic. Oh yeah, we put a table on there. Yeah, to rest. All right. These magnifies, see? Batteries. Where's the stinking instructions? I still don't need them. Well, I'm glad you're here in my garage. It's fun. Slip in here once. For fun with Joey. Oh, here's the little tables. Oh, she's getting the instructions out. Just like a woman. Now you're gonna have to read to me. Oh, a crummy commercial. A review. Let's see. Oh. Still don't need this. I don't need this, right? Let me just get these screws out and see where they go. There's my quick start guide. Look, it's all half Chinese. I don't read that. I don't read that. Here we go. Where do you think the batteries go? Oh, right there, LED lights, see? You turn them on separately so if you don't need them. Right there. Oh. Not holding you out, am I? Where's that knife? That's what happens here. Only battery powered. But you think they would have made it powered with the cord, right? There would be more electronics going to it. See me, find me. Just snaps back on. That must go. I'm gonna have to read the stupid instructions. You always do that for me.
I'll read them for you.
Can you find an easy quick start guide in that mess?
Take a look at this box.
Oh yeah, the box might help.
Give me the instructions and I'll take a look.
A Troom. Where a Troom at? I'm putting it right there in the bucket. Don't worry, you can do it. DIY. Glasses.
These are the ones that we have over here in case for safety.
Oh, this goes. Oh, like this. This shows it there, but.
Install bolt through holes in the spark deflector with LED assembly and spark
It
shield.
goes there, but that's also close to the
Orient
wheel.
the bolt so that the head of the bolt sits in the recessed area of the spark shield. Reinstall spark shield knob into the bolt. Tighten securely.
Like that. It sure is close to the wheel, though. Look at it. Okay. So, are you talking to me? Spark shield. That's this, right?
Yeah, I
That
can
must
tell
go
you
into the light assembly, right?
step by step here. See figures 5 on page 12. Let's see what that
Break time. I know, this should go here. This should go here. This must go through here.
Here's the picture.
See? I got it. What? This goes like this. Like this. It'll be grinding before you know it.
can read a little more detail. Attach the spark shield assembly to the wheel guard using 2 screws, washers, and lock washers. Tighten screws securely and repeat the above step for the second spark shield assembly.
Or do what I'm doing.
You got the washers?
No.
It's a lot of directions.
Washers.
Here, I'm going to say it again, okay? Attach the spark shield assembly to the wheel guard using 2 screws, washer, and
Okay.
lock washers.
Okay.
Tighten screws securely. Repeat above step for the second spark shield assembly. Note, the spark shield assemblies can be installed on either side of the tool. For detailed grinding, it's recommended to place the spark shield with magnifier on the right side above the finer wheel.
Well, they both have magnifiers. I'd say, see that cutout? See that goes there? And there? Oh,
That actually goes up to the...
picture there. Oh, the picture shows it like this. Yeah,
Yeah,
like this.
that.
Exactly. I got the Zackleys. All right, let's get back to your step. Washer.
Attach this.
This is pretty easy. Maybe I'll speed it up. Still didn't see a washer. Is there a washer?
I'm not...
One. All right, there's one washer. Where's the one washer go?
Spark shield with magnifier. And work rest.
Okay, that's this. And the work rest is going to be here. Like that. And that should have a nut on the end. Oh. See, this is just a round head bolt, which you stick in that slot. Stick your rest here, your work rest, and use this easy tightener. Ah, it's pretty easy, look. See? And that's one side, look at that. See how easy it is? Always wear your safety glasses if you want to. This is what? Why we only have one of these? It's metal.
A spacer, it says.
Where's space it at? Why would you want to space it? And I guess we could attach this before we attach this. That's okay. Either way is good. I can't wait to start grinding this stuff. I will attach it. There's 4 holes that you could attach it to your workbench when you find out exactly where you want it. Tighten these. I like that they're threaded. You don't need a nut on the other side. Yeah, I usually watch TV down here. I got that new Friendly TV app. I like it a lot. It has all my old shows on there. See, I was watching Leave It to Beaver, Dragnet, Highway Patrol, cartoons. I get that MeTV cartoon channel now, which I like a lot. You know, you told me about it. We ate down here one time, remember? More than once, but you saw us eat once. I'm gonna sharpen them shears up and cut that chicken wire. Nice. Tighten that a little more. Tighten up, everybody. I smell skunk in here. And that's okay. Look at this. You know what? I wanted a grinder like this for how many years?
Well, I'm glad we finally got one today.
Yeah, I did. My buddy John had his Mustang in here, and he put a bigger fan in to cool it because it kept overheating, and we grinded out the shroud. We grinded a big opening in the shroud for it, and it was nice. We had fun. Mustang in my garage. I had a big blue 98 Cadillac in here, and it fit. And I had my bike alongside of it, and that fit. Ryobi. This is nice, isn't it nice? Are you grind stuff? You wanted to polish your jewelry down here, didn't you?
Yeah, I got some things to polish.
And they have little indents so you can loosen it and see, and tighten it where you want it. Once you tighten it. The things that make an old man happy. If it's not a 1-year-old's toy, it's a old man's toy. Okay. Tighten it where you like it. Ah, is that it? Have any extra parts? Oh yeah, this. Still don't know where this goes. Must not be that important. How you doing, Tim? Hope you're feeling good. Would have baked you a cake, but I didn't. I hope you're all right. Relaxing, taking it easy. See you in about a year, if ever. Look. I think it's done. Where would I put this spacer? Do you know? You probably know. It's metal. Ow, here's my voice. I'm gonna mount it.
I don't think I'm gonna mount it. I'll wait till I'm sure where I want to mount it. Till I mount it.
That's cool that there's batteries in there, I guess. Here we go. Listen to the hum. Let's put it in that thing. Whoa, they weren't sharpened in 35 years. Oh, she knows. She always knows. If I want to get deeper, I'm gonna go up here. I can still rest it on here. Oh, I forgot. Whoa! Then I gotta take my glasses off.
Oh no.
What is it? Oh yeah, look at that. Nice. Thanks for watching. Get yourself one of these Ryobi grinders if you want to. If not, don't. But please subscribe. Stop back soon. See what else I can get into down here.
You got a link for that?
Yeah, I'll put a link down there in the video description. Let me know what you think this is for. Could it be for? Maybe for a different wheel. Let me put another wheel on maybe. Because I have other wheels. But that grinder's a 6-inch. No, that old one's a 6.5. This is a 6. Alright, take care. Please subscribe. Talk to you soon.